Alright, happy Sunday, guys. I am on my way to the grocery store to get some greens, some Sunday greens. I just want to pour my coffee in a cup. And then I'm going to commence to cleaning because my house is terrible. So we're gonna go get some greens, and then we're gonna come in here and start cleaning. I hate cleaning. Alright, so I'm not doing a cooking episode today, but I want to use crab meat that I have before it goes bad. So I put some Worcestershire sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, some Old Bay, and some other spices in here. So I'm going to add it to this. I'm going to fold in some crab meat. I'm going to fold in the crab meat. I'm going to put some breadcrumbs in here. Let me add some parsley. And then I'm going to fry these bad boys. I've never been one to really know how to make crab cakes. So I'm going to attack that today. That is the #1 goal today, is to get that whole refrigerator together before I throw the whole thing out anyway. But we're not ready to purchase a new refrigerator because, of course, we're moving. So I just need to clean that one. I can't find parsley. I have oregano. I put in some red pepper flakes, so that's just going to have to do. All right, let's get this show on the road. I do have some grease here. So I'm going to heat that up and get that going. And, yeah, get some lunch because I'm hungry. I haven't had anything but coffee. So, let's go. Alright, so I made 5, which is, of course, more than enough for me, but for leftovers. For anyone else, I am going to put some flour on them on both sides. And then I am going to, actually I'm going to put some fish fry on them on both sides. And then I'm going to put them in some grease. Alright, so we got some fish fry on here, and we are waiting on the grease. So, I am trying to put all my Poshmark stuff that I have on sale in this box here. I was going to put this dress up, but I think I'm going to wear that one more time. I'm going to put this striped dress up, though. I don't know how. I have no idea how I'm going to. It's so long. Like, they don't give you enough of a window in your phone to put it up there. So we'll see. So in all honesty, I'm not being very successful with cleaning my house. Like, I think what I'm going to do is, so I have like all the movies and stuff. I'm trying to put the stuff that I want to try to sell over the summer and get rid of on Poshmark. And keep it all in one place because it's a little all over the place. Like, I had something that sold this week and I needed to find it. So now that I have it, I now have to ship it tomorrow morning. So just little things. Just little things. Anyway, yeah. The days and times of Love Davis. So I'm going to put this in there as well. But it's just like a very, I don't know. I'm rambling. Sorry. I'm rambling and I'm dry. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add this to Poshmark and then go from there while I watch Resident Evil Final Chapter. Well, I have cooked. My bestie has come over and had dinner. I did not pick up my camera. It is now almost 8 o'clock. I had 15 minutes to fold that load of clothes and that basket of clothes and get into bed, because by 8 o'clock on Sundays I like to be horizontal so that I can be refreshed for the week. So sorry for a boring beginning of a vlog. I'll catch you guys on day 2, which is Monday. Bye. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to do a little chatty introduction to the vlog. The last time I vlogged, I believe, was Sunday. Yesterday, all I did was work and then came home and just sat and talked. And then we went to the gym and that was it. So I didn't vlog any of it. Today, I just wanted to come on and just talk. Like, I feel like I've put myself in a crazy headspace that I need to get out of. Because, sorry, one of my coworkers pulled up and I did not want to vlog and him looking at me like, why is she sitting in the car talking to a camera? To just work life and regular life. So I feel like I have been in a crazy space. I also feel like, oh good, she picked the other kids up. I also feel like I've done so many things. I've made so many sacrifices and I have not reached the point that I want to reach. And so, you know, just feeling like you've given up so much. And so to be where I am right now, like I've literally given up and taken so many chances on things that have not worked. And that's it. So it has been the thing that has made me a little fearful. It has made me a little apprehensive about jumping out there and doing things. It's taken me longer to get things going. And you know, my kids are getting older, and so I've got college. I'm getting ready to enter into the third quarter of my life, which is like really, really, really on a scale. Like once you get 50, like you should be in a position where you can, you know, help your kids and get things going. And so I'm just trying to figure that out. It's just really hard for me. So I'm trying to be very careful. I'm restructuring all of my life, like house, car, all of it. And so just in terms of just trying to do that, doing this blogging thing, doing this lifestyle channel thing, because that's just my creative side, like just being able to be, and I feel like I'm babbling and you may or may not understand what I'm saying, but at my core, I'm just at a very fearful place because I've taken way more risks than probably any regular person would have. And I feel like now I don't have that opportunity anymore. I have two humans that depend on everything that I do. You know, and it's just been a lot. Like even being in an upside down mortgage and you just walk away from your home and you know, just like even them fearful, like, okay, but where are we moving? What are we doing? And they don't understand that you're in an upside down mortgage and sometimes you have to walk away. That was a very hard decision. It took me 2 years to make that decision. And I was still fighting until the very, very end and just decided in the last few months as I was talking about moving, like just forget it and starting over again and then trying to build some kind of real estate thing. Like, I don't know. I'm just trying to just figure it out. But the reason why, you know, I'm not in my relationship that I was in is because, you know, I put way more emphasis on trying to get so many other things done and put that on the back burner, and it just, I guess, wasn't important enough and just stuff. So here we are, moving into 44, things to accomplish, and just really trying to push restart. And you know, those things that are important. So I just wanted to come on and chat about that this morning. And yeah, I'm looking at my coworkers as they go in. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I've not vlogged. Today is Wednesday. As usual, I'm in the kitchen. I'm really having a just not a great day. I'm not having a great week. So I thought I would just bring you along. I'm going to make a little bit of food before we go to the gym. And my granola came, so I wanted to show you the granola that I got. So hold on. And not fall. So you guys know that I talked about just trying to be a little bit healthier. And so for the first time in life, I do like granola. I tasted somebody else's. And so I could not find it in the store. So I ordered it from Amazon Prime. This is a big bag. Is it 2 bags? Oh, it's 2 bags. Alright, so this is called Simple Granola. So this is Quaker's Simple Granola, and it's got oats, honey, raisin, and almonds. So, I found this one and I liked it, but how do you break it apart? So, yeah. So, this is what it looks like. Now, I have not gotten into, like, yogurt and stuff like that. So, right now, I'm probably just going to eat this. Like, snack on it. I'm going to put some in a Ziploc bag and take it to work with me. Is it cut open? And it's cut open. But yeah, I just want to show you this. So, Quaker's Simple Granola, oats, honey, raisins, and almonds. And we'll see. Happy, healthy snacking. Anyway, let's get some food on before we go to the gym. And I'm going to try to fix my attitude. It's really good. Like I said, it's taking years to get to this point. And when you mentally get it into your head that you're going to eat better and do better to feel healthier, and like daily snacking with chips and stuff, like, that's what you're going to have to do. Like in real life. So. Like, really good. Simple granola. I'm just saying it because I know how picky I am. Alright, enough rambling. Let's get some food going. So I have some whiting, some frozen whiting that I brought from the store yesterday. I'm gonna just throw that together with some shrimp. I'm gonna I guess saute it in some garlic butter. Can't talk. Some garlic butter that has olive oil, and I'm gonna add some onions, some peppers, make some vegetables, and some yellow rice, and that is dinner. 20 minutes tops. Watch. Well, 25 minutes because I gotta peel the shrimp. Hello, happy Thursday. I am off to the college. I am running into this massive TJ Maxx right here in Home Goods. But number one, I need to use the restroom. I just got off the highway to the college. And number two, I want to see if, well, first of all, I always want to look at home inspiration, but I really need to see if they have any undergarments on sale, because last year I got the best undergarments from this particular location. So I'm gonna run in there really quickly. And I haven't seen you guys, so hello. It is, what's today again? Oh, is it dark? Happy Thursday. We have 2 more days left in the college semester. My students take their finals. So we are winding down. They are done with this math class. And I have had Burger King today. So I'll be eating healthy for the rest of the week. I did only have granola today, so yeah. All right, so we're gonna get out the car and get into the store. All right, so I had a success. I grabbed a pair of sandals that was in here for $30 that I needed. Just a pair of black little Michael Kors slides, so happy about that. I grabbed a nice neutral nude bra for t-shirts and things, so that I would not have nipple issues. And I found my keys. You know, I left my car unlocked. I had to pee so bad. I left my car unlocked and ran into there and just covered all my stuff up, and then ran into there because I could not hold it anymore. So I found my keys. And so yeah, so now it is off to work. I have 25 minutes to get there. Let's go. Hey guys, so I wanted to say one thing. I left TJ Maxx, of course you saw. I went to work, but I stayed late and got my Food Friday blog post up. So from now until the end of the year, every Friday I'm doing a Food Friday post, which is just me in different restaurants, just showing you what you should order, where you should go. Just kind of like my food travel / chronicles. Nothing too extreme. If you're in Baltimore, you want to try those places out. If you're here and you follow me in Baltimore, go try those places out. Yeah, just glad that my palate has changed a little bit, but super excited about that. So I wanted to say that, but I did get my blog post done. So now I'm on my way home to see my lovies and turn it in for the night. I'm gonna watch a couple episodes of something and I'm gonna turn it in for the night, and I'll see you guys in the AM. Bye.